What to do when you get your first period. When you get your first period, it's a significant milestone in your life. Here are some important steps to take and things to consider. 1. Stay calm. Getting your first period can be an emotional experience, but remember that it's a natural part of growing up. Stay calm and take a deep breath. 2. Find a comfortable place. If you're at home, find a comfortable and private place where you can assess the situation and take care of yourself. 3. Use appropriate menstrual products. You have a few options when it comes to menstrual products, such as pads, tampons, or menstrual cups. Choose what you feel most comfortable using. If you're unsure, start with pads as they're easy to use and readily available. 4. Keep track of your menstrual cycle. Start tracking your period on a calendar or using a period tracking app. This will help you understand the length of your cycle and anticipate when your next period might occur. 5. Be prepared. Keep some menstrual supplies in your bag or locker, so you're always prepared. This way, you won't be caught off guard if your period starts unexpectedly. 6. Take care of yourself. During your periods, make sure to maintain good hygiene by changing your menstrual products regularly, usually every 4 to 6 hours. It's also important to wash your genital area gently with water and mild soap, and avoid using scented products or douches. 7. Talk to a trusted adult. If you have questions or concerns about menstruation, reach out to a trusted adult, such as a parent, guardian, older sibling, or school nurse. They can provide guidance, answer your questions, and offer support. 8. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn more about menstruation, how it affects your body, and how to manage it. There are plenty of online resources, books, and educational materials available that can provide accurate and helpful information. Remember, every person's experience with menstruation is unique. It may take some time to adjust and become comfortable with managing your period. Don't hesitate to seek support and guidance from those around you as you navigate this new phase of your life.